Again.
No. Wait. Can I get the blades to engage with the motor? With the starter motor spinning? Yeah. Oh, I don't think you're able to do it like that.
Oh, I did it. Oh yeah, it did it.
Did it?
Yeah.
Hey, do the lights work?
Put it on the light setting.
So what happened to this thing?
They not.
The block is cracked probably or something.
Or the piston's bad, or the valves are bent.
Yeah.
Can you fix it?
I don't know. I could buy a new engine.
Yeah. It might only sometimes when you have no compression, it's just the piston rings are gone bad, so you just have to take the piston out and put new rings in. But who knows?
Well, I put in new rings and then nothing happened. But that's probably why the oil's leaking out.
What?
Or at least there is low oil.
What do you mean?
There's a hole. That's why. Yeah, there's a hole.
You think there's a hole in the block?
Probably.
I mean, maybe.
You could just take it apart and throw it away.
There's a lot of bugs out here. I think you need a new brake to strat.
Well, boys, know what we're doing today.
What are you doing today?
Buying a new
We need a new engine.
Where do you get an engine?
Facebook
Freight.
Marketplace. Harbor Freight. Honestly, a Harbor Freight motor might work. It would be really difficult to do though.
All right, this is the end of part 1.